I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Marami na nga talagang mga sikat na artista ang nakapanood ng Gigi the Movie at sobra talaga silang nagandahan sa movie ng ating Donnie Pangilinan. At isa na nga rin dito si Mr. John Arcilla na napapost pa nga sa kanya social media account ng poster ng Gigi the Movie. At ito pa nga guys ang nasabi sa caption, ang ganda ng pelikula, ang ganda ng mood at ng pacing. It is very interesting. I am not a gamer but I got hooked watching the film. It is totally relatable to anyone. Good game speaks about family, camaraderie, teamwork, and chasing your dream. Ang gagaling ng cast. This film have proven once again that Maricel Laksa is still one of the best actresses we have in the Philippine cinema. Tita Boots Anson Roa was so effective in her semi-upbeat role. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Baron Geisler took another character impeccably, endearing and funny. But Donnie Pangilinan is your heartthrob actor in the making. A rare combination of commercial appeal and an effective actor to beat. Iba. There was this final scene with him and Maricel that I cannot help but to tear up. This is a film that everyone must watch. Sayang pag hindi nyo napanood. Naumani nga agad ito ng maraming komento mula kanila Mami Maricel at Baron Geisler na sobrang nga nagpasalamat kay Mr. John Arcilla. Grabe nga rin talaga ang paghanga ni Mr. John kay Donnie Pangilinan na talaga namang pinag-uusapan na. Kaya stay tuned lang tayo for more update.